Perplexity AI in 2026, the knowledge engine that replaced search. In 2026, the internet is no longer a place where you look for links. It's a place where you ask for truth. Leading this revolution is Perplexity AI, which has officially transitioned from a viral startup to the primary research partner for over 50 million students, professionals, and developers. If Google is a digital librarian pointing you to books, Perplexity is the researcher who reads them all for you and writes the summary. Here is your master guide to Perplexity in 2026. Page 1. The new core, Deep Research 2.0 and Model Council. The most significant shift in 2026 is that Perplexity no longer relies on a single AI. It has become a multi-model orchestrator. Deep Research 2.0. This is the feature that killed traditional browsing for complex topics. Unlike a standard search, Deep Research 2.0 acts as an autonomous agent. The workflow. It asks clarifying questions before it starts, browses hundreds of sources, including behind paywalls and inside academic databases, and synthesizes a 10-page report with charts, tables, and verified citations. Accuracy. In 2026, it features an improved code sandbox that can run calculations on the data it finds to verify that the numbers in its reports are mathematically sound. The Model Council, Pro and Max. Perplexity 2026 solves the which AI is better debate by letting you use them all at once. The Council. You can run a single query and see the reasoning from GPT-5.2, Claude Opus 4.6, and Gemini 3.1 Pro side by side. Consensus Engine. The AI highlights where the models agree and where they conflict, allowing you to find the most objective truth in a world of AI hallucinations. Page 2. The Comet Ecosystem, Browser and Connections. In late 2025, Perplexity released Comet, an AI-native browser that has become the primary rival to Chrome for power users. Comet AI Browser. Comet isn't just a window to the web, it's an extension of your brain. Comet Assistant, a sidebar agent that watches what you're doing. If you're on a complex technical documentation page, it automatically generates a quick start guide for you. Instant Buy. Integrated with PayPal and Apple Pay, you can search for a product and click Instant Buy to check out directly from the Perplexity interface, skipping ads, trackers, and account creation on third-party sites. App Connectors, the end of tab switching. Perplexity now connects directly to your personal knowledge base. Workspace integration. You can link Gmail, Google Drive, Notion, and GitHub. The Magic Prompt. Summarize my last 3 meetings about the Alpha project and cross-reference them with the latest industry news to find 3 potential risks. Perplexity will search your private docs and the public web simultaneously to give you the answer. The verdict. Why use it over Google? In 2026, the choice comes down to intent. Use Google for transactional needs, finding a local plumber, checking the weather, or looking for a specific URL. Use Perplexity for knowledge needs, understanding a new medical diagnosis, conducting competitive market research, or writing a thesis. The verdict. Perplexity isn't a search engine anymore. It's a reasoning engine. It doesn't give you links to explore. It gives you the time back that you used to spend exploring them. 1. The future of search ending. In 2026, we've moved past the era of scrolling through ads and SEO-optimized links. Perplexity isn't just a tool for finding information. It's a tool for understanding it. By choosing citations over blue links, Perplexity has made the internet feel like a library again instead of a billboard. It's time to stop searching and start knowing. 2. The productivity and success. Ending. If success in 2026 is about moving faster and thinking clearer, then Perplexity is your ultimate competitive advantage. While others are stuck digging through the noise, you'll be shipping reports, making deals, and solving problems with information you can actually trust. The choice is yours. Do research the slow way, or let Perplexity compound your efforts. 3. The trust and truth ending, most relevant for 2026. With its 2026 pledge to remain ad-free, Perplexity has drawn a line in the sand. Your trust is not for sale. In an age of AI hallucinations and sponsored answers, having a reasoning engine that puts the truth first is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. It's time to switch to the search engine that values your curiosity more than your clicks. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and notified on daily updates.